guys, so today we're going to make some slime. Well, we're going to be needing glue, shaving cream, a bowl and a mixing tool, and your contact lens solution. Let's get started. So I got 2 balls of glue. I have no clue why. You can use any kind of glue except it has to have Fevicol, so just add a glue. And plus, I have like a 3-ounce bottle right now, so I don't know if it's a 3 ounce. Just guessed if it's a 3 ounce. Fill all the corners. Oh my god, this is taking forever. Let me just... I'm going to see you guys when I'm done pouring all this glue. We're done pouring the glue. Now we're going to add the shaving cream if you want to make it fluffy. Shake it well. Yep, I added so much because I want my slime to be really, really fluffy. Look at that. Wow. It looks like it's whipped cream. Everyone says so. Well, except me. Okay, I'm going to see you guys when we're done mixing this whole thing. Vinyl touch the activator, so yeah. And you can add detergent or contact lens solution or borax. It's my maid. I'm so sorry to interrupt, guys. And I'm using laundry detergent plus Tide. So add a little bit. Makes sense see what's happening. You'll see these, it's like getting together. I love the slime because I just made it extra fluffy. Okay, I'm so sorry to interrupt, guys, but I have to pause the video a lot of times, so we're still mixing. You see these? Okay, that's what I made of my mom at the same time. Ew. Oh my god. Ah! That Tide just came so fast. I'm so sorry to interrupt. I mean, you saw my best friend Beauty. She makes videos with me, but now I make videos by my own. And I'm so sorry that my channel's name is not on internet. But I just love the internet so much. I tried to change it, but couldn't change. Oh my god, I don't want my spoon to sink. That's the thing that I'm mostly worried about. Why isn't this dissolving good? Oh my god, this is like... Oh my god, okay, I'm gonna pause the video. I added more. Oh my god, I hate these. Oh no, okay. I'm just gonna move all those and just mix. I added more Tides. Still not there yet. I don't know my words. My 3rd video is making slime in YouTube. Seriously. What am I? I need to pause. Guys, I'm gonna see you when the slime is all done. Like, I added more Tide and it is getting there. Like, not totally. So I'll see you guys when it's done. Okay guys, I'm gonna make a part 2 of this, okay guys? Bye.